Okay. All right. Thank you very much, everybody, and a real pleasure to be provided the opportunity to present Proficient on our height-centric Kodak in a Baloo project. So Proficient is a software that we started to develop about a year and a half or so ago, and it's a construction project management software designed for construction experts by construction experts. So I've been in the industry as a project manager for 25 plus years, and I joint ventured with an IT partner here in Malaysia to develop this product from scratch. So Proficient is a product for primary stakeholders. So our clients, our main clients that we're looking to utilize this product with are property developers, government agencies, state agencies, if you're doing large infrastructure projects or any government related projects, be it rail, buildings, roads, etc. So the intent for the product and what we want to actually succeed in is to use one platform for everybody on the project to share, and then push that down on all of the stakeholders for utilization on the project, so that everything can be shared on the same platform with every stakeholder on the project. So that includes architects, consultants, obviously our clients, the project owners, project primary stakeholders, contractors, subcontractors, and project management consultants. Main contractors obviously can also use the product as well to manage risk with their subcontractors. So what we see the problem is in the industry is actually that you've got a whole series of softwares in our industry that manage components or parts of any project. So you may have a document control or a document management software. You may have a field operations software. You also may have a reporting software, be it scheduling or any other kind of reporting software for a particular project. And what tends to happen is that, numerous stakeholders are involved with these disjointed or separated software. So what we're trying to do, or what we are doing, excuse me, is actually bringing this under one umbrella so that everybody can all be on the same platform at the same time live. So no interface exists between softwares, say, be it Microsoft Project or Primavera. There's document control softwares out there. There's field operations softwares out there. There's cost and contracts, and obviously you've got BIM. We're bringing that all together under one platform for everybody to utilize at the same time. It's staggering to me in the construction industry today that the vast majority of projects globally are still using email. It's just really unbelievable that this is actually still the truth. And I don't think that that's a Malaysian phenomenon or an Asian phenomenon. I think that's a phenomenon that's global. And then we also have, again, which is staggering to me, in the 21st century, you still have the vast majority of projects using manually filled out forms. We digitize all of that whole process. So here is our solution. Proficient is a project-based product so that everybody on the project can actually utilize, share information, use our application in the field so that everything can be immediate and notifications are provided immediately from the contractor to the architects, or from the consultants to the project managers, or from the client to all stakeholders involved on the project. The wheel here that I'm showing you actually shows our modules that we have: dashboard module, a documents module for document management and uploading of any document for approval or for information. So I'll show you a brief video, which about 2 to 3 minutes, which will show you and give you a flavor for how the actual product works. But we have primary and secondary approvers when uploading or seeking approval on a document. So you don't need to actually create a workflow. Proficient creates that workflow when you actually upload that document and removes the need for you to do that. We have a meetings minutes module, which was actually born out of maybe my own personal frustration, with how badly meetings are run in our industry, which I also think is a global phenomenon. So you can type in your meeting minutes onto Proficient Live, create tasks for any stakeholder on the project so that the system can actually track the closing out of those tasks. We have an operations module where everything is live on the site: inspections, non-conformance reports, safety, etc., etc. Any field operation you would need at all, and any aspect of any project can be managed digitally in the field by all of the users of Proficient. And then you've got reports. So obviously, with all of this data and in one place, we can take up all of that data and print out or provide you with any kind of a report you would need, which would also include you doing your daily construction report digitally from your app as you walk around the site. It's got a very successful mobile app. It's web-based, obviously. We've got artificial intelligence, which consists of cognitive search ability, where when you're searching for a document, it actually scans all the documents at the same time, which I think is a very powerful offering. Obviously, we have a chatbot to address any concerns from our users, and obviously, it's a collaborative workplace. So that's the overall product. As I said, there's a video I'm going to show you so you can actually see how the product actually works. So Hyatt-centric KK. Hyatt-centric, some of you, obviously everybody's familiar with the Hyatt brand. Hyatt-centric is their 5-star offering for the trendy traveler, is the term that they use, which is very interesting that a hotel operator's got that product that is specifically for that. Client. So Kota Kinabalu is a tourist destination. Maybe some of you have been there before. I'd highly recommend you visit if you get a chance. Our client on this particular project is Hap Seng Land, which is probably, if not the premier developer, definitely in the top 5 premier developers in Malaysia, and a very, very, very well respected brand in the country. You can see some images of the building here. 22 stories, 222 keys, 24,000 gross square feet. And the building currently is on level 16, and we're in the process of actually finishing our prototype rooms for quality, which includes 2 standard rooms and 1 suite. So they'll be finished next month. So here's the project located in Borneo, northeast corner of Borneo Island in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. The client and contractor is actually based out of Kuala Lumpur, which is in Peninsular Malaysia. The architect is a very famous global architect by the name of Kengo Kuma from Japan, who's done numerous buildings around the world, including many, many museums across Europe and Southeast Asia. We've got consultants in Australia. We picked Australia here. We've actually got consultants from lots of different places, but we picked Australia here because I know we've got some people online from Australia. And then our operator, Hyatt, is actually is based out of Hong Kong. So the project started in January 2020, and we're on schedule to open up the hotel in June 2022. So there's 17 companies involved on the platform, or utilizing the platform, I should say. 100+ users. Proficient has got unlimited access, so you can have 1,000 users, you can have 5,000 users if you want. We've got unlimited data and unlimited transactions. So I think that's a big plus, and one of the reasons why the market has responded and our team on the ground have responded so positively to the product is because it just has unlimited space for you to utilize. So currently we've got 3,000+ documents, including videos, photos, etc., more than 10 gigabytes, and that can go to terabytes if needed. So this is a summary for the actual product, giving you some of the features. It provides you instant access, obviously, from our application. Provides you instant site reports, so you don't have to go searching for reports. You can just go to see what's been submitted and from any of the stakeholders involved in the project and look at it yourself. Instant status notification. Obviously, if it's a digital product in the field, you're going to get an instant notification on Proficient's app. Provides auto reminders. So we provide auto reminders 48 hours in advance. A reminder when a task is due, and that task can be anything, and then including, let's say, the approval of a shop drawing, for an inspection in the field, etc., etc., etc. And then you get another reminder at the time when it's due, and automatic reminders every 48 hours thereafter. Obviously, that creates a very good risk management tool because everything is live. And that's what really we're trying to focus in on with the product, is managing risk and reducing risk for our clients. When it's a live, involving all stakeholders, it minimizes and I think eliminates communication gaps. And then obviously with immediate notifications is faster task closeouts, seamless collaboration. And I'm getting the feedback, or we're getting the feedback from the users in the field, that they're really happy with the fact that they can utilize this product as they're walking around the site. And then one of the big things I think that's very exciting about what we're doing with this particular product is that it's fully customizable. It's fully customizable. Since we developed the product here in Malaysia, we are listening to our clients and seeing how we can help them with their pain points and helping them fill those pain points. We're also have the ability to integrate with third-party softwares if that's so required, because some of our clients may already be using a product that they may want to do some interfacing with. So we do have the ability to do that. So just very quickly before our video, these are just some of the testimonials from our users on the project. I'm not going to read them out, but you can see, awesome, love it. No need for email writing, which I think was one of the things that drove me to do this. I just couldn't believe that we're still using emails as an industry. Easy to fill in the section for documents. This is from the architect, the lead architect actually from the project. And then obviously the ability to be able to, to print or produce reports and spreadsheets. So no need for anybody to do any spreadsheets anymore. All the data is sucked up, and you can see the reports and summaries and who's performing and who's not performing from our product. So with that, I think what I'd like to do now is just show you a very short 2 to 3 minute video, and hopefully that'll give you a good flavor for what Proficient can do. Can't hear? Oh.
No, I hear it fine, Oliver.
You can hear it fine? Okay, good. How am I doing on time?
You're pretty much out of time, Oliver.
Okay.
That's the thing about Glimpse. We only give people a short
minutes.
view of it, a glimpse. But I want to thank you for this. It's excellent, and I'm sure you're going to do really well. And it's wonderful to see such a comprehensive solution coming out of Malaysia.
And lots more to come. Lots more to come, Phil. We've got a long roadmap.
You've got a couple questions in the Q&A session.
Okay.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much.